Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to delete your Facebook account permanently in 2021. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So to permanently delete your Facebook account, first open your Facebook app and then click on the three line which is right below the messenger icon at the top right corner. Click on it, then scroll down until you see settings and click on setting. And once you're in setting, go to the search setting and type delete. After you type that, you can see delete your account and information. You can click on it and it's going to show you two options. So what deactivate account does is holds your account on pause. Like once you click on deactivate account and you log out from your Facebook account, and to other people who are viewing your Facebook, they will think that you have deleted your Facebook account, but like once you log into your Facebook again, then everything will go back to normal. So that's what deactivating account means, and deleting account means like everything is just gonna be deleted permanently. So some people regret deleting their Facebook account, so Facebook has made a setting like if you delete your account and log back into your account again within 30 days, then you will get your account back. So if you just regret deleting your account, you can just log into it within 30 days and your account will not be deleted again. So yeah, you need to log in within 30 days, remember that. But if you are sure you want to delete your account, then you can just click on delete account, then press on continue account deletion, and then click on continue to account deletion. And after just filling up this whole thing like downloading your information or view linked apps, go to activity lock, or if you want to deactivate your messenger instead or all this setting, then you can just click on delete account. Now remember, after clicking on delete account, this is the final step to deleting your account. Once you click on delete account, your account is deleted until you log into your account within 30 days, but if you don't, then it's gone forever. So yeah, that's how you permanently delete your Facebook account in 2021. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.